Hello friends, welcome to Priyagram English. We are learning kinds of adverbs in which we have already learned four kinds, that is adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, and in today's video we are going to learn adverbs of degree. Have you watched all these videos? If you have not watched, you can watch through link which is there in description, because all these parts are connected to one another. If you watch all those videos, you can understand better. Now before starting today's topic, adverbs of degree, first let's revise all four kinds in short. Now what is meant by adverbs of manner? Adverbs of manner describes in what way or in what manner something is happened or action is happened. For example, happily, greedily, politely, fast, hard, etc. Now what is meant by adverbs of time? Adverbs of time describes when something is happened. For example, today, tomorrow, yesterday, before, ago, etc. Now what is meant by adverbs of place? Adverbs of place describes where something is happened. For example, here, there, anywhere, etc. Now what is meant by adverbs of frequency? Adverbs of frequency describes how often something is happened. For example, always, often, frequently, never, etc. Now let's learn what is meant by adverbs of degree. Let's get started. Let's learn kinds of adverbs part 5, that is adverbs of degree. Now what is meant by adverbs of degree? Adverbs of degree tell us the intensity or degree of an action, adjective or another adverb. As we know that the word which modifies an action, adjective or another adverb is called an adverb. But when this adverb describes to what extent an action is done, it is called as adverbs of degree. Now common adverbs of degree are almost, nearly, quite, just, to, enough, hardly, completely, very, extremely. Means all these are adverbs of degree which are commonly used. Adverbs of degree answer the question how much, to what extent, in what degree. Means when you ask the question with this, you get the answer, and that answer is adverbs of degree. Now before the adjective or adverb, they are modified. Means before the adjective, means the adjective, the word which describes adjective, to what extent, that word is adverbs of degree. Let's see some sentences where the word which describes adjective. The sentence is, the water was extremely cold. Now in this example, you know that cold is an adjective, and the word which modifies an adjective cold, that word is extremely. Means this word shows to what extent or in what degree the water was cold. We get the answer extremely. So extremely is an adverb of degree. Next example, Lina is an extremely good science student. In this example also, the word extremely is an adverb of degree, as it modifies the word adjective good. Means we know that this word shows intensity of an adjective. Means to what extent Lina is a good science student, we get the answer extremely. So extremely is an adverb of degree. Now here are some examples where the verbs are modified by the adverb. First example, he was just living. In this example, living is a verb, and the word which modifies the word living, that word is just. So just is an adverb of degree because it shows intensity or to what extent. Just is an adverb of degree. She has almost finished. In this example also, finished is a verb, and the word which modifies this verb, that word is almost. So it is an adverb of degree as it shows intensity of the verb finish. Next example, the view from the top is very beautiful. Now in this example, beautiful is an adjective and the word which describes beautiful, that word is very. Means this word very shows intensity of an adjective. Means to what extent the view from the top. So we get the answer, it is very beautiful. Means very is an adverb of degree. Why are you eating the popcorn so quickly? In this example, so is an adverb of degree because we know that the word which modifies another adverb is also called an adverb. Here the another adverb is quickly and the word so modifies this adverb, so it is an adverb of degree. Next example, I totally enjoyed the ride. Now in this example, enjoyed is a verb and the word which modifies that word is totally. So totally is an adverb of degree as it shows intensity of the verb enjoy. Means to what extent I enjoyed the ride, we get the answer totally. So totally is an adverb of degree. Next sentence, he was too careless. In this example, careless is an adjective and the word which shows intensity of carelessness, that word is too. So too is an adverb of degree. Next sentence, these mangoes are almost ripe. In this example, ripe is an adjective and the word which describes this adjective, that word is almost. Means we know that it shows intensity. Means to what extent these mangoes are ripe, we get the answer almost. Almost ripe. So almost is an adverb of degree. I am fully prepared. In this example, prepared is a verb and the word which describes this verb is fully. So fully is an adverb of degree. I could hardly recognize him. In this example, recognize is a verb and the word which modifies the verb recognize, that word is hardly. So means it shows intensity or how intensely an action is done. Means the action of recognition. So hardly is an adverb of degree. Delhi becomes very hot in summer. In this example, hot is an adjective and the word describes hot, that word is very. It shows intensity or it gives the answer to what extent Delhi becomes hot in summer. We get the answer very, means very hot. So very is an adverb of degree. Next example, she executed the dance steps quite skillfully. Now in this example, we know that skillfully is also an adverb, means adverb of manner. We know that the word which modifies another adverb is also called an adverb. Means the word quite is an adverb of degree as it modifies another adverb skillfully. Means to what extent she executed the dance step, we get the answer quite, means quite skillfully. So quite is an adverb of degree. Next example, the situation is much better now. In this example, much is an adverb of degree. Means we get the answer to what extent the situation is better now. We get the answer much. So much is an adverb of degree. This assignment is extremely difficult. Now in this example, the word extremely is an adverb of degree as it shows intensity. Next, Amar plays football quite well. In this example, the word quite is an adverb of degree as it modifies the adverb, another adverb well. So it is an adverb of degree. Next example, you were nearly killed. In this example, we know that killed is a verb and the word nearly describes killed or modifies the verb killed. Means to what extent you were killed, we get the answer nearly. Means it shows intensity of the action or intensity of the verb killed. So nearly is an adverb of degree. Now, this is all about adverbs of degree. Let's revise What is meant by adverbs of degree? Adverbs of degree tells us the strength or intensity of the action. Means it shows how intensely an action is done or in what degree an action is done. So it is called an adverbs of degree. They give answer the question how much or to what extent or to what degree. So this is called an adverbs of degree. Hope you understood the topic well. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel to learn such grammar topics. Keep watching. We'll meet in next video. Goodbye and thank you.